Good evening, this is Ryan with the National Weather Service in Norman with a winter weather update for this weekend. This video was recorded around 10:30 p.m. tonight, Thursday, December 6th. Here's some key points to remember about this system. Is slowing down and shifting slightly southward. It's also slightly weaker, but we still expect a narrow band of moderate to heavy snowfall along and just south of the I-44 corridor, along with some freezing rain. So the storm still has the potential to produce localized winter weather impacts. So you still need to take heed and watch the forecast closely as we approach this weekend. Here's a look at tomorrow. In the morning there'll be some light freezing drizzle possible, mainly across central Oklahoma, extending all the way down into western North Texas. Don't expect any major travel impacts with this, as temperatures will be lingering right around freezing where this occurs, and then warm up after sunrise above freezing for the most part. By late Friday night, precipitation chances will begin to increase from the west and from the south. Still expect some snow and sleet along the I-40 corridor, and then freezing rain developing along I-44 across western North Texas and into south central Oklahoma. And that does include parts of the metro, including Moore and Norman. As we move into Saturday, by Saturday morning around sunrise, most of that precipitation will transition to snow along and northwest of I-44. We'll still have some snow and freezing rain and sleet across southern Oklahoma and portions of western North Texas. The snowfall is expected to continue through most of the day Saturday, shifting east and southeastward. And this will be especially true across portions of central Oklahoma, where the snow will continue through the evening hours. Here's a look at possible snowfall accumulations. Now, I mentioned this before, the system's weaker, but there still appears that there'll be a narrow band where we see some heavy precipitation. And so you can see that narrow band there all the way from southwestern Oklahoma into portions of central Oklahoma. But notice how it shifted southward now. Most of the Oklahoma City metro, at least the central and northwest sides of Oklahoma City, come down to about 2 to 4 inches. Meanwhile, further south near Norman, maybe 4 to 5 inches of snowfall possible. And again, these amounts may change. You may see this shift even further south. You may see decreasing amounts possible, but this is our best estimate as of tonight. For freezing rain and possible ice accumulations, you can see the spotty areas we're expecting up to 0.25 inches of ice, and that does include some of the metro there, and then even further south towards Ada as well. These may also change as well depending on how fast the temperatures drop through Friday night. So be sure to check back again for these updates. This system is very difficult to forecast and is now trending a little further south. That concludes the video. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 325-3816, and always be watching for our tweets or Facebook posts. Thank you very much. Stay safe this weekend.